Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Thursday, June 11th. And we start with the summary of what you'll see in this presentation. We're looking at strong warming and drying. It starts today, continues even worse on Friday. And some of these locations will be so warm and so dry that we are expecting some locations to get to a Haines index of 6, which is high for wildfire issues on Friday. Then on Saturday we have a significant storm coming in. Should bring some, not only some increasing winds on Friday, but also some very strong winds for Saturday afternoon. Expect showers and thunderstorms also Saturday afternoon and evening, and those showers and thunderstorms will continue into Sunday. And for the rest of the week, beyond that, do look for unsettled weather in most locations, except if and mainly in the northern half of eastern Idaho. Probably the least likely location for it to continue with any strong coverage would be the very southwest corner of the area we forecast for. So that'd be the eastern Magic Valley and parts of the southern Sawtooth National Forest and the surrounding BLM lands. So here's a satellite image. You do see this storm coming in here. This is going to continue to take a northeasterly track and go up and over. It is going to be strong enough to actually produce some severe thunderstorms for the Panhandle and eastern Oregon and northeastern Oregon and eastern Washington. So it will be affecting a number of those areas, but not down here. Will be far enough away where it will not be a factor. The most we expect is today, for instance, is maybe some shower activity in Lemhi County. So this is the overview for the next 5 days. We are looking for a chance of some showers in the Sawtooth, and that should actually be in the Lemhi County area. And then Friday, low relative humidities and the wind starting to kick in, especially in the Snake River Plain and the eastern Magic Valley. And low humidity also in Lemhi County, where there will be the best chance for thunderstorms on Friday, if there's any, would be for Sawtooth and Lemhi County. And that would be for the extreme, I mean, it would even be west of Salmon and west of Stanley. So it's not a very big area. And then on Saturday, though, everyone, the chance for rain, and then rain likely in places like Lost River, Wood River, Sawtooth area, where even some high elevation snow, same for Lemhi County, and then a chance for some thunderstorms in both of those areas, and then slight chance at least everywhere else. And then on Sunday, you can see it starts to clear up a little bit in the Magic Valley and South Hills, where it's just a slight chance of rain for the Magic Valley, and the thunderstorms are kept just to the South Hills rather than in the Magic Valley. But everywhere else, a chance of rain and a slight chance of some thunderstorm activity. And then the slight chance continues into Monday with some reduced coverage. But Saturday, Sunday, Monday, temperatures will be way down from what they'll be on Friday. So we're not looking for the 90 degrees like we do expect for Friday. So let's take a look at the temperatures anyway. Today, widespread temperatures in the lower elevations in the 80s. And even a place like Chalice getting to 83. Stanley, pretty warm at 78. And the minimum relative humidity for this afternoon, we are expecting quite a number of teens, but you can see it's mostly staying above 15%. And there's still some 20s. And the high temperature for Friday, this is where we ought to see some low 90s rather, in some portions of the Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley. Middle upper 80s elsewhere there. You see just in general things warming up considerably. And with that, of course, with the warm up, we expect the relative humidities to crash, and so you can see widespread below 15% on Friday. And anytime, of course, you can pause if you want to take a closer look at this presentation to get some actual values of places you live near. High temperature for Saturday. You can see the increase in cloud cover does cool things off considerably. Along with any sort of shower activity, it'll be mostly in the western portions, and then that will spread overnight eastward. And again, showers and thunderstorms embedded in it. So not everyone will get a thunderstorm, but should be some pretty good coverage. Although that even better coverage on Sunday. And you can see, just 15 to 20 degrees cooler. And of course, the humidity will be up. You can see here, way up. I don't think there's any place here where it gets below 15%. It's all solidly in the 20s and 30s, and even some 40s for afternoon relative humidity. Wind gusts today, not very strong, but you can see tomorrow, and this would also, Saturday will be basically a repeat with some very strong gusty winds. You can see anything yellow is in excess of 30, red is in excess of 40 miles an hour, so that it would be solidly, if we had any fuel issues, we would be looking at red flag conditions on Friday. But at this point, fuels are not cured out yet, and so no red flag is expected. So once again, look for the warming and drying until Saturday, when the temperatures crash and the showers and thunderstorms start to develop, and we're looking for a repeat on Sunday. Beyond that time frame, we are looking for unsettled weather conditions for most locations, and that's mainly the northern half of eastern Idaho. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number. Check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.